I don't care much about the word innovation. What I care about are the needs of my constituencies, which include federal workers in a big way, represented in some sense by the Federal Web Managers Council. The deal there is they're working very successfully at GSA. The theme is that there are a lot of people in government, and I've spoken with a lot of people in a lot of agencies, also including state and local governments. Everyone wants to get the job done. Everyone is eager to do so because there's now the spirit of some real empowerment via this open government directive and so on. The deal is that there are people, especially people at the Web Managers Council, are trying to figure out what are the impediments to getting the job done. What are the impediments to actually getting good customer service going? So what I'm doing is trying to find out what are those things, and as awkward as it seems, I'm trying to do a little cheerleading to help out.